Hi, it's Aline here, and this time I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to do something new this time. I'm going to make some hummus with garbanzo beans. They're also called chickpeas, and I've never done this before, but I had some chickpeas that I had soaked in a crock pot on high for 4 hours, and so I decided I should do this. And you can also use canned garbanzo beans. This is just under 4 cups. You could use two 15-ounce cans of garbanzo beans. And the liquid is not in here yet. The liquid is called aquafaba, but I'm using water because I don't have cans of garbanzo beans. And I've put in almost 2 lemons. I was gonna do one in front of you, 1/2 of the lemon. So now I've squeezed a seed. I thought I got out all the seeds. I'll be back. I'm back. Now 1/2 cup of tahini, which is, it's just pure ground sesame seed. And this jar at the grocery store was $6. We're also going to use 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin, about a 1/2 teaspoon or a pinch of salt, and I've got a 1/3 cup of water. And I'm going to put them all in. I'm going to blend it, and then we'll be back. I'm going to use chips for the dip. You could use cucumber, or you could use something else that you thought would be yummy. I'm also going to use 2 cloves of garlic that I peeled, took the peels off of the 2 cloves from this head of garlic. So I've got some cloves I can use for something else. I've got a big clove and I've got a little clove, and I'm going to blend it all together, and then it should be nice and creamy when it's done. All right, here go the cloves. I kind of mashed them with a knife. Here goes my 1/3 cup of water, or if you have the aquafaba from the can, you can do that. And I'm going to put it on high, and then we will be back. All right, I blended, and now I've got to stir it. I can push the chunks down to the grinder, and then we're gonna try it again. See if we can get the whole thing nice and creamy. Okay, that probably took 5 minutes of alternating my blender on puree and then taking the lid off and stirring it and doing that over and over again. And no, it's not very high powered, it turns out. And I probably have a few chickpeas that didn't blend. And I know that if you get canned, they're going to be softer. And because I boiled these not for long enough to have them really, really, really soft, because we're also eating them in salads, so they were a little bit firmer. So that's how long it took me. Now I've got this bowl, and I'm gonna just make a little crater in the middle of this yummy looking creamy hummus, and I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika garnish on it, and then I have dried parsley, or you can use fresh parsley as a garnish. And I read on the recipe I was using that you can use a little bit of olive oil for garnish, which I don't think I'm going to do. And then I've got chips. If I had cucumber, I'd probably dip cucumber too, but I think that looks yummy. I'm going to do a taste. And I hope you guys can do this too and enjoy.